The elders warned us, but grief walks quietly. She smiled with clean hands while hiding ashes in her heart. The sky became heavy and the drums lost their joy. The fire no longer speaks to me. Even the moon hides its face. Children sing with empty stomachs while silence dances in this place. I saw the river turning darker. Birds stopped flying over home. Something evil crossed the mountains. Now the village feels alone. Oh, Mama, hear the wind cry. The ancestors are restless tonight. Oh, Mama, the ground shakes slowly. Something sacred is about to die. Before